company was formed almost 20 years ago in a small office just a stone's throw from here, and we've grown and grown and grown as our market segment has grown. There was a gap in the market and the competition just didn't tick all the boxes. We can tick every single box.
The benefits of using LOBO over common scaffolding is our clamps are preset, so you don't have to worry about where you're putting your tube. It's done for you in the design. It's up to 10 times faster, and it's far more flexible and versatile than aluminium towers. The pivotal moment for me was when I got a call from NASA in Edwards Air Force Base. They had a need for our system. They had a problem which was standing at height around an aircraft. If I can solve a problem for NASA, I can solve many problems across the world.
It's like being part of a family. We nurture our family, we look after our family, and my family, LOBO, looks after our customers as well.
I'm really proud of what the company's achieved so far. I've not been able to do it on my own, and I still feel that we've got a long way to come from our humble beginnings. And frankly, it's the possibility of the future and what we can do in the future that motivates me to get out of bed in the morning. I think there are countless configurations that we've not yet designed for the LOBO system and for customers. There are many, many different problems out there, and I can't wait to provide the LOBO system as a solution across the world.